Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to update the firmware for the Thanos for you. First of all, you can leave the power on the USB, but you can turn off the power to the servos. You don't have to have powered any of these. It's all unpowered. So you'll see that right now it's working there. To put it on bootloader mode, you can do it as a jumper. Just remove that little jumper there, leave it close so you can see it, and then just press reset. Now it's in reset mode. It doesn't do anything, it's just frozen essentially. If unplug the power, plug it back again, you'll see that it will just show the blocks, so that's normal if it happens. So I just remove the jumper, press reset to make sure it's in bootloader, and now I can go back to the PC and use the software. First of all, let me talk about where to find the firmware. You can find it on GitHub. There's a folder that says latest firmware. You want to go to the 2560, this is our older one. The 2560 is the latest one, so you'll have to download the two zip files, the 2560 firmware bootloader utility and the firmware itself. So to download them, you just have to click on it and then go to the three dots, download, to save it locally to your computer. Then you can unzip it, and then you can go to the folder where you have the bootloader utility. When you run it, you should be able to see here some options. Make sure these are correct, and here you select the COM port where it's connected. Right now it's reporting COM1. If you don't know which one, you can find it from the device manager of the Windows, or change the number if it has conflict with something else, but that's driver related, so you can look up the FTDI driver and how to adjust that if needed. Otherwise it will populate a second port. You select it, and then I'm gonna load the firmware file. So this is the unzipped again. It should have extension hex.zip. You click on it, and then you just click download. And since it was already on bootloader mode, even if I'm far, I activate the bootloader mode, so it's downloading right now. So this may take a while. It's kind of big, so I'm gonna pause it here for a second. Okay, so it finished. It should say that successful updated. So you can go back to the controller and carefully put the jumper back here where it was before. It's supposed to be the two pins on top, closer to the red tip switch right there. Okay, so it's touching in there. So this is crucial. Remember to put the jumper there, and right now it's working right. And you can verify that it actually saved the profile. Just press reset. It will come up with the latest firmware